Usambut Menteri Rangba ke Jylla ba Prestone song ula pensyai ba ke Sorkar Jylla hi kamla ban Pynkylla kat bamon ya ki an ti Dewiong. Namar kene ka an ka hab apo ke bor sensyar jong ke Sorkar Pdeng. Ba ke Sorkar Jylla kamla ban chutho ne Pynkylla ya ka kat bas ngobit. Ya kene ba Prestone song ula ai halor kata ke jengbam tre kinong elam jong ka Janta Coal Owners Miners Suppliers and Workers Association ban pensange egejing ki de ke basyatkan kepala sedang naru ke Shitarik Ujeliu. Habakran igelat patai kubor haka kat pratrik ujeliu ar hajar ar punrio uba Prestone song uloong bakla don gajingelam bakla halor kania daga bobo jengkeli babalik ke Sorkar kamla ban pendrekam ya ka MMDR Act ha megalaya ha bagajela ka hab apo ke 6th schedule daga bapensyai belada kedekaan ka Jylla ka Sorkar kala ban Pynkylla mardor ndoi namar bagedekaan Sorkar Pdeng kedan kerukom trekam ke beri banyat bat ke Sorkar India kenang banyo agijing Pynkylla kedekaan Uba Prestone song ula pentip bahaka arpu terik ujeliau ke Sorkar kan sepenlong ya kejingelang ban bishar bnia ya kejingnya jengbut da ke technical team jong kiro syampang ban watlat hatolaan ban penjensur ya ke MMDR Act bat klaim kene ke data ke Sorkar kampatla ban shim ya ke nuno ke senjam.
No, for that, I don't know why should they say that they can't wait. As I said to you, this is not only that you can just write a paper and then you can change the law. They need to understand the reality. This is a central law. Some people they mislead about the central law. They say why should MMDR Act be implemented in Meghalaya because we are district schedule area. It's totally, it is totally misinformed. So what I'm saying here is, the citizens of it need to understand what the law. If it is the state law, yes, we are ready to revisit it immediately. But if it is again central laws, there are processes where you need to approach. You have to go step by step. Then ultimately you go to the government of India, approach. If maybe they can go for the amendment. So you should not just say that state government does not do or we are not we are not responsive. But let me tell you one thing: we are very much positively responsive in any issues that we face in the state of.
But did the government mislead the public that this MDA government was the first government to bring scientific mining? Because now we're getting to know that scientific mining hasn't even started.
No, license has been granted. Because see, again, when we issue the license, it is not the government who implement it. No, this is the private party, the private sector who is supposed to undertake this activity. It is not the government. You can't blame the government if we are the one who has to do the mining. But I'm telling you, we can't. We are not. It is only for the private parties or the private.